Okay, I'm going to shoot a video about your pre-shot routine, and this is an addition to the 8-Ball Winning Strategies book. Also, I'm kicking it in as an addition to the fundamentals, because this is just such a fundamental thing in the game that if you want to play consistently, you have to get your pre-shot routine down to a method. It has to be methodical, and you have to do it the same way every time. We covered in the fundamentals how to stand, how to hold your cue. I don't think there's any exact way for every person. I think you have to stand where you're comfortable and where you're balanced and hold your cue level. I think finding your point back here where to hold it is kind of a personal thing too. I like mine farther back, gives me a longer range of stroke, which is something new to my game over the last couple of years. The important thing is however you decide you're going to play, do that every time, and that's what this video is about, the pre-shot routine. So I'm just going to throw a few balls up here. We'll throw about 6 balls on the table. This darn fly is bugging me. And I'm just going to start out right here and just shoot these balls, and I'm going to talk about my pre-shot routine. Okay, so now when I get in my pre-shot routine, every shot before I shoot, I'm going to line up, see where to hit the ball, find what I'm going to do, and then get down on that shot where I'm comfortable and deliver the stroke. Same thing here, I take a look at my shot before I ever come up on the shot. I'm going to be lining up. Once I get there, I stay there. Another big part of your pre-shot routine should be chalk. It's a good help to chalk your cue every shot. Sometimes I will go with 2 or 3, not saying that's right. Okay, I'm going to take a look, line up the shot. Step into the shot the same way. Actually, I'll line up this shot. Now, for this shot, it's kind of a steep cut. It's not like a straight in shot. So I'm going to come from the center of the pocket to the farthest point on this ball, which is my contact point. That's where I'm going to be focusing. Now I come over here, figure out where to line it up. Step into my shot the same way. Notice when I get to the shot, I go straight over it. I'm already on it. Come around the table. Chalk my cue. Line up on the shot, come back here and find my line, see where I'm going to be hitting this ball, and that's your pre-shot routine.